How's it going, y'all? I'm gonna make a quick video real quick on this part. So I bought this on Amazon, both of these on Amazon, 15,000 BBs. I forget how much I paid for it. It was pretty cheap, pretty good deal. And I bought this guy off of Amazon too. I thought it was a lot bigger, but pictures are deceiving. I should do my research. I am a YouTube guru, so I should just do my research on YouTube before I bought it like I normally do. But my Airsoft, I couldn't find nothing on it besides one guy. But you can see those are BB welts. And on the back side, you can really see the welts. This one as well. I have broken a few BBs already. I don't know if I have any broken ones in there, unless I got them out already. But I've used Metrix. I'm terrible at that name. This is the box that my Airsoft came in. As you see already, I got a lot of BBs in there. I shot up in here. I have a little slit that it can go down and then drop into the box, which I gotta tape this back up again. So I'm using my brother's box that his water radiator came in for his Nova. Got that, so I'm using that. And then my box on top of that, kind of give it a more bigger effect. I already shot a few there, got stuck in the back. Dollar Tree and duct tape at Dollar Tree. Which, that's a BB hole right there. And the exit one. So yeah. Oh, even down there too, I think. Yeah, down there too. Right there. Whew. Not there yet. But the 1600 megahertz batteries, they do pack a punch. And I'm going to do a comparison to my new battery. So I just got these off Amazon. $45, I believe, for these two batteries and the charger for it. And these are 9.6 volts, what the gun, Airsoft gun recommends. So this is the gun. These fit pretty good, but the bigger size 2400 megahertz does not. Don't mind the pink stuff I got, like Poison Ivy or Nightshade. Poison Nightshade. That stuff sucks. And anyway, back on topic. So I'm gonna have to sit down and see if I can 3D print one of these for underneath my gun for a little bit wider chamber for this to fit. Alright, I'm gonna have to hold my freaking thing. And I'm gonna have to find a different magazine. I love the white magazine, but I need a different magazine because I'm tired of going like this, just a little damn thing. It's awful, but let's get into the testing and see what does what. Okay, so here's the first test. This is single auto. That's one thing I hate right there. And you gotta wind them up again. Let's try full auto. I love that thing. But do have BBs flying back at me. That's on the 1600 megahertz batteries. Now we're going to do the bigger batteries, the 2400. So now this is single shot. Already I can see a big difference. Wow, that is a hard. I hate to get shot by this thing. Especially without protected gear. Woo-hoo-hoo. Full auto. Woo-hoo-hoo, I love it. This thing is awesome. Got BB there. Another BB there. Two more over here. Oh no. That one over here. This is from. I don't need my tripod anymore. Definitely looks like nothing looked like it hit hard there. So definitely I can hit here. Need to ricochet. Oh wow, that's a hole there. Have to hold for the tape. Uh-oh. Okay. Wow. Wow. The 24 megahertz battery, I say, is more powerful. Really? Because there's a BB shot there, here, and here. And I only got 2 BBs. One of the heck is the third. Oh, 4. Holy mackerel. And what's crazy about that is because I have it, you get the flaps, yeah, right? Okay, you got the thick of the cardboard here, and then an extra layer of padding. You can see one there, here, here, more here. Parts of the rug. Now I'm kind of curious. Woo! He even hit the ding. Even with the wow, rug up too. There's parts of the rug in there. That's funny. Speaking of funny, $2,400. I don't know if that was megahertz. Yeah, megahertz. So it definitely is like an RC truck. The bigger the battery, the better it go. The more percentage of the battery, the faster it go. And how far or harder can it shoot. That's awesome. I freaking love it. But I gotta figure out what I can do about this. I don't know if they make replacement parts for this or not. I love this gun. This is the best airsoft I ever had. I love it. And how much this thing can shoot for 150 bucks plus some batteries, because they don't come with it, even though on their website in the picture it shows it. Hands down the best thing I ever spent. I love it. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.